Top 10 Best Dive Bags. There are, of course, other ways to do it, but we would recommend a dive bag for your equipment. Number 10. SDI Sport Gym Mesh Roll Bag, Scuba Gear Mesh Bag. Easy to carry. A heavy-duty mesh design allows this bag to carry all your gear with ease. The mesh makes rinsing your gear even easier while being fast-drying to avoid any mildew smells. A separate small zippered pocket holds your keys and wallet easily. Separate zippered pocket. Adjustable straps. Keys and wallet easily. Number 9. Ivation Snorkel and Dive Gear. Different colors. This Ivation scuba gear bag will fit your style. It has a lightweight design that is specifically shaped to fit your fins. A single strap is perfect to sling over your shoulder to transport to the beach. Scuba backpack reviews agree this is a top pick for snorkeling. Multiple pockets. High-quality zippers. A top pick for snorkeling. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best dive bags or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Cressi Trolley Bag. Double handle. Make this Cressi Vuelo travel bag is top of the line. The high-quality material coupled with a well-thought-out compartment system ensures this bag will last for years and make your life easier. It has a compact, lightweight design that gives you the maximum amount of storage. Wheels. 12-month warranty. The high-quality material coupled. Number 7. PROMATE Backpack Style Bag. It has a medium compartment but is bolstered by its many outer compartments. Featuring a bungee system means you can add an extra bag or a jacket for easy access. The straps are adjustable and comfortable. This is an all-around excellent option for any avid diver. Many easy-to-access compartments. Bungee system. Adjustable and comfortable. Number 6. Meister Mesh Duffel Backpack. Duffel bag is a perfect way to transport your gear and personal items. A dry pocket ensures your most valuable items stay dry even if your bag takes a swim. The large strap can be used as a shoulder sling or as a backpack. It is fully adjustable for any sized person, ensuring it is a comfortable journey. Dry pocket. Versatile strap. A comfortable journey. Number 5. ScubaPro XP Pack Duo Rolling wheels and a telescoping pull handle. Carrying this bag is easy. Ideal for flights or other long-distance travel, this bag's large size will safely get your gear where you need to go. Large straps allow this diving bag to be carried as a duffel as well. High-quality zipper. Wheels with telescoping handle. Long-distance travel. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best dive bags or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Mesh Duffel Gear Bag. That has a shoulder bag for easy transport. The mesh material allows you to easily rinse off all your gear while inside the bag to remove salt and sand. The breathable design allows your gear to air dry freely and the bag itself is fast drying as well. Coming with an additional small pocket, 2-year warranty. Multiple pockets. Scuba diving bag even. Number 3. New ScubaMax Dive Flag. Large front mesh pocket has a secure Velcro closing which allows you to safely store keys and other important items. Constructed using durable PVC coated mesh, this scuba gear bag is built to last. With heavy-duty parked Elron zippers you can be assured that your gear is stored safely. Front mesh pocket. Dive flag design. Heavy-duty parked Elron zippers. Number 2. Meister Cruise Mesh Duffel Bag. Straps rather than the shoulder straps. This bag is great as the light mesh bag material dries fast and makes it easy to hose off your gear. No need to fear about the bag's integrity, the mesh used on this bag is incredibly durable. The large size of the scuba gear bag allows durable mesh. Fast drying. The scuba gear bag allows. Number 1. Meister Cruise Mesh Backpack Deluxe. All your water gear. A thick material lies against your back ensuring you do not get wet. A lateral zipper makes getting to your gear even easier. Padded straps make it comfortable against your shoulders. A separate zipped case on the front of the scuba diving bag keeps your personal gear safe. Lateral zipper. Separate zipped area. It comfortable against. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best dive bags or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.